Okay guys, here is lesson 99 from the math book. It is page 339, mixed numbers and improper fractions. So we did some mixed numbers on our math dailies, but today we're going to talk about improper fractions. And improper fractions just means that the top number, the numerator, is bigger than the bottom number, the denominator. So here we show a picture of 1½ shaded circles. Each whole circle has been divided into 2 halves. And then we see that 1½ one full circle plus half of the other one, is the same as 1, 2, 3 halves. So 3 halves is actually improper because the bigger number is higher. The top number is bigger than the bottom number. But we can see that the mixed number, 1½ equals the fraction 3 halves. The fraction 3 halves is greater than 1, and so because it's greater than 1, we call it, or equal to 1, we call it an improper fraction. So we're going to draw pictures to help understand and show how these are equal to each other. So for example, draw circles to show that 2 3/4 equals 11/4. So we begin by drawing 3 circles and shading in 2 3/4. Well, we see that our fraction part is fourths, and so we're going to draw circles and shade in our fourths. This one has fully shaded, this one's fully shaded, and this one is 3/4 shaded. So we have our 2 3/4. But then we can count our fourths, our shaded parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we get 11/4. So we can see that the fraction part of 2 3/4, we can see that 2 3/4 equals 11/4. And then you'll see on the back there's some practice problems. Draw circles to show that 1 3/4 equals 7/4. So I'm going to do this on the board. Let me get this switched around. And we'll do this on the board. 1 3/4. So we're going to draw a circle and divide it into fourths. That whole circle is shaded in. And then we're going to draw another one and shade in 3/4. So now we have 1 3/4. But then if we count our fourths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we see that we have 7/4. So if you'd like to do the practice ones or just kind of think about them in your head to help you, you can, and then you'll have one of these on your problem set as well. When you finish problem set 99, then you can check with your parents to get a picture of the answers, and you can check yourself and just let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.